I am a certified loan signing agent. If there's anyone that is on the fence about joining the loan signing system and getting into the course, let me be the first to tell you the course is absolutely worth the money. Hello, this is Melissa Harper from Stockton, California. I'm so excited to share with you some of my favorite parts of the course. First of all, favorite part is going to be probably the mock signings that they teach you. You're able to kind of see how you are able to get in and out of those signings efficiently in under an hour. This system will teach you how to do that. And mind you, when you are in and out of an appointment in under an hour, that means you have earned $75 to $200 in under an hour. And this course teaches you the rhythm and how to do that and how to develop your own rhythm so that you're efficient and fast in and out of those appointments. Also, one of my favorite things about the course is the Q&A sessions. You're able to actually speak with people live, ask questions who are already in the field, and they're going to give you all the advice and tips and help that you need. So no other course I know gives you that. No course have I ever come across that helps you diversify your notary commission into so many avenues of earning power. The earning potential is unsurmountable. You look around, there's so many homes, businesses, so many ways for you to use that commission to earn money. And so I say, if you are willing to invest money in the newest iPhone and PlayStation 5s, games, fashion, makeup, you should be willing to invest this money in yourself. All it will do is help you, your earning power, and affect you and the lives of everyone around you that depends on you and that is affected by your decisions. And as mothers and wives and fathers and husbands, we all know that our decisions affect our whole family and it affects the lives of everyone that depends on us. And a lot of times that's a lot of people. So trust me, this money will not only increase your earning power, but will also increase the lives of all those that you love that is affected by what you do. And if there's anyone that is on the fence about joining the loan signing system and getting into the course, let me be the first to tell you that I'm a regular person. I have no formal training. I spent about 13 years not even working because I have 2 special needs children with autism. I have 3 adult children, 2 of them with autism. And I had to leave my career of insurance to be able to take care of them because no one could handle my son. And so if I can do it, you absolutely can do it. I am here just to encourage you to please do it. I'm going to honestly tell you there's not been one time I responded to a post on Instagram that Mark Wills did not respond to me. Not one time. You always have support. He's always watching. Someone's always there. There are Facebook support groups you can join and be a part of, and you're going to find yourself going there for help, and then you'll probably also find yourself there helping other people and guiding other people during the same journey that you're doing. This company not only teaches you how to diversify your notary commission into many avenues to make money, but also too will teach you how to be an owner of your own loan signing business. And me pushing 50, I've seen a lot. I've done vocational courses. I've done many things. There's no other course I've ever come across that will do this for you and give you the earning power the loan signing system will do for you, and teach you a quick rhythm to get in and out of those appointments, and teach you many other ways to use that commission to earn you money, expanding your family and your legacy. And so I did this so that I could earn extra money to buy a home, and who knows where all it will take me, and who knows where it will take you. So I just am very stoked. I'm excited to share with you. Please take advantage of the loan signing system. You have nothing to lose. Only thing you could do is end up in the same place you're in now. So from a regular person, no formal education, a mother, wife, just trying to make a little extra money. If I can do it, you can too. If you're watching this, you're already halfway there. Let me be that extra encouragement to you so that you too can have your own loan signing system certification and be on your way to making that extra money for you and your family. Happy sightings.